show me how do you swim? Did Daddy show you how to do it?
No.
Okay, you're going to use it like a surfboard and hold on with 2 hands and kick.
No, I can't.
It's called a kickboard. You put your body on it.
I'll put my body. I do it, but Mama.
You don't want to learn how to swim like Griffey and all the big guys?
No.
No? Look at me.
'Cause
Look at Daddy. Daddy's out there swimming.
I don't want to swim.
Daddy looks like a big fish.
Mama.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to fall.
Don't. Okay, then come closer to me. I'm right here, Bunky. Boing. Boing.